check the body, see if there's anything else.
The area of the left side.
Welcome back to Aussie Veteran Cop, where we break down high-risk policing for the average cop. In this video, some awesome police work we're going to dissect. We're going to add in a few extra things you'll need to know about tactical emergency care. Let's crack into the video. My name is Matt. I was an operational cop for nearly 17 years, specialising in general duties, organised crime and training. I don't know everything there is to know about policing, but I can certainly share some knowledge. Now, before we crack into the video, just remember that these videos are for educational purposes only, and this is not legal advice. Let's crack straight into it.
Send me a couple more units. This party has two nights. Hey, brother. Do me. Hey. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay, we take note of the shift time on his body worn camera. It's 0601. He's just started his shift. First job of the day, and he's had to put someone down with his gun. Now, is he justified? 150% justified. You look at the distance that offender was able to travel in just that short period of time, probably 10 metres that he travelled in that time before he was able to draw. He did everything he could to try and stop him by issuing verbal commands, and he was quite assertive, but also quite friendly at the same time. Absolutely 150% justified, no issues there. So let's see how they go from here.
17.
061.
Come on, man.
Guys, back up.
Hey, you okay, brother? You okay, brother? Tell him to step on medics.
Yep, I got you. 15, step up to medics right now.
You told him shots fired? Come on, dude.
I need you to back up.
215, you're out with the party at 219, Birdseye for medics. Yes, radio. For the guys that come and slow down, let's go ahead. Let's set up a perimeter. Stay back and leave room so we can get AMR in here.
Okay, more good work. So you notice they've handcuffed him. They've double locked the handcuffs. Another thing that's of note is the fact that they're cool, calm, collected, and there's no screaming, carrying on. Yeah, just good police work. Let's see how they go from here.
Hey, brother, you good? Where you hit, man? What's going on? Just turn you around. Where you hit? Where you hit, brother?
Where'd you get hit?
Where you get hit?
Sir, talk to us. Where'd you get hit at? Where's he hit at?
I don't know.
You have the medic come into Wood Ave.
Where you hit? No.
Leg.
Leg? All right.
Alright, 15 on what I'll do.
Okay, so he's straight into his tactical emergency care, and he's done an assessment. He's looked for injuries. Now he's noticed obviously a fairly significant wound to his leg. It's bleeding quite profusely, and he's got his tourniquet out. Now, have you noticed about his tourniquet? It's not locked away in the car. It's on him, ready to go, combat loaded, ready so it can be used. It is pointless if it's locked away in a car, inside a bag or inside a plastic bag. It's pointless if that's the case. It's got to be on you, ready to go all the time.
Go ahead. So right now it looks like you covered just one TSW to the right hammy area of his left leg.
Check the body, see if there's anything else.
The area of the left side. Yeah, 10-4. Can we update blue one?
Tell them to look at the pie.
I copy, Junior. I'm a rocket.
And also, let's get a time
check for tourniquet applied. 0603 hours, tourniquet applied.
Okay, now a couple other things. He's advised the radio of what time the tourniquet was applied. Yeah, more good work. He's doing an assessment on the rest of the body as well. Now, one thing about bullet wounds is they don't always bleed a lot, especially if it's like a sucking chest wound, which it might be with this guy because he's struggling to breathe a bit. So yeah, it could be that pneumothorax, and it gets worse and worse. as the injury it keeps sucking in more air from the outside. So yeah, one other thing super important thing to remember and understand is you need to make sure you know where the trauma hospitals are in your area. Not all medical facilities can treat severe trauma like bullet wounds or things like that. So make sure you know where your trauma hospitals are. So what do you think? Do you think the cops did a good job? I think they did an awesome job. Leave a like down there if you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.